wall thing and reach this foot with that hand. Yeah. Awesome. There you go. Now, the other one, from down low again. Okay. Just open the legs so feet mat width apart. Okay. Always walk the hands a little bit back. So I'm gonna reach the left ankle outside. Okay. And now, since I'm gonna lift my right leg, I'm gonna put the left foot in a position that allow me to be more comfortable to lift the right leg and really press to the left foot, because the chest basically is going to be to the side. Okay, so I was just doing the example without reaching my left ankle. Okay, for now I'm gonna do it reaching my left ankle. So I turn the left foot in, okay, and press to the left foot and start maybe lifting the right foot. The chest still face a little bit toward the right side. You can even reach the right foot with the right hand. Play more if you want.